Question number 14. A metal rod of length 45 centimeter. You have a metal rod of length 45 centimeter is clamped at its midpoint. Clamped at its midpoint. So the moment you say midpoint, and it's a question on waves, which means this is a node over here. The speed of sound in the metal rod is 1500 meter per second. Okay, and the speed of sound in air is 300. Which means what? There is air here, and then sound is already given. The metal rod vibrates at its first harmonic. When you say it is vibrating at its first harmonic, which means what? This is node. This one could be antinode, this could be antinode. So you get a stationary wave like this over here. And then it says the metal rod vibrates. What is the wavelength in air and the sound wave produced by the metal rod? Wavelength in air is asking you the wavelength here and the sound wave produced by the metal rod. Okay, and now what we need to do is, we need to, this is 45, let us find out what is this value here. So this value is half of it. Half of it means lambda by 4 should be equal to 22.5 centimeter, which means lambda, this has taken more than a minute, lambda should be equal to 22.5 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 90 centimeter. Okay, now we have got wavelength and we need to find the frequency. Frequency is equal to V by lambda. What is V here? 1500. 1500 divided by 90. Everything is in centimeter, right? Okay, so it should be equal to 9 ones are 9. Remember 60 over here, and so, or maybe I'll just find out using my calculator. It'll be better. So let me do this. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just keep it as 150 by 9 instead of doing this. So this would be frequency is equal to 150 by 9. Okay. So now what do we have? 150 by 9. What is he asking here? What is the wavelength in air? So wavelength lambda air. Now what is this now? Frequency of the wave in metal. Lambda in air is equal to velocity of the sound in air divided by the frequency. Frequency of the sound. See, this frequency will not change when it comes to air. So which should now be equal to, what is velocity? Where is velocity here? 330, right? Which we have got, which is already 300 here. 300 divided by 150 divided by 9. So 151s are 152s are. As 9 goes up, it should be 2 into 9, which is equal to 18 centimeter. Right? So the answer should be 18 centimeter. Let us look at the marking scheme. C, yes. Okay, so 18 centimeter. Let us move on to the 15th question.